Hello children, welcome back to next class. So I hope last class we started with the topic prepositions and I hope it's clear for you, isn't it? So we went through 4 prepositions. Can you just recall them? First one was on, second one in, third under, and fourth one between. So remember which places we use all these things. Okay, so go through the video once more. If you have forgot, if you have not remembering, just go through the video once more. Okay, and next 2-3 videos we are going to discuss few sentences based on this topic or based on preposition. We have lot of exercises given. Till page 172 we have prepositions. We have given this much. The purpose behind this is that you have to be more thorough with the 4 preposition and where it should be used. Okay children, so shall we go to the page number 167. Take out your page number 167. Okay. So take out your pencil, everything. It's very easy. There is nothing to write. You have to circle or underline the prepositions. 4 prepositions which we have learned. Now, the first page, page number 167. Come. Okay, look into your worksheet. Okay. Prepositions can show where people or things are located. Again, a description about preposition. It can show where people or things are located. Shows the position of a thing or people and thing. It shows a position. It's clear. Now, circle the prepositions in each sentences. What you have to do is you have to circle the prepositions in each sentences. Okay. Now, question number 1. Reggie walked on the footpath. Reggie walked on the footpath. Okay, in this sentence, can you find out the preposition here? Reggie walked on the footpath. Which is a preposition? Yes, you have to circle like this in your worksheet. You have to circle on, touching the surface. He walked on the footpath. Okay, good. Question number 2. John was in the pet store. John was in the pet store. Which is the preposition used there? Yes, circle in. In the pet store. In is used because it shows the point itself. He is standing in the pet store, inside the pet store. Shows the point itself. Okay, so in is the preposition used. Michael sat under the table. Michael sat under the table. So it's a preposition? Yes, under. Something that comes lower to a point. Under a table. Under a table. So circle under. My dad's office is on the way to our school. My dad's office is on the way to our school. So it's a preposition? On the way. It shows a path on the way to our school. Fifth one. Maria swept on the carpet. Maria swept on the carpet. So there also you have the preposition on, touching the carpet, on the carpet. Or she is sweeping or she swept on the carpet. Okay, so on is used there. You have to circle the preposition here. So first one on, second in, third one under, fourth one on, and fifth one on. Okay, next. Question number 6. The toy store is located between two houses. Between two houses. Where the store, toy shop is located between two houses. Two houses, you have the toy store. So, which is a preposition used? Between, in the gap between two houses, we have the toy store. So, between is the preposition used. Next, 7th one. Andy took rest under the tree. Andy took rest under the tree. So, which is a preposition? Children, just say louder. Yes, under. Very good. Under shows something down. Under the tree. Andy is a person. He took rest under the tree. Now, 8th question. Paul sat on his new chair. Paul sat on his new chair. Which is the preposition? On. Yes, on. Touching the surface. Touching the surface. The boy, Paul, is sat on the new chair. Now, 9th one. Sam rested under a warm blanket. Sam rested under a warm blanket. So, where did Sam rest? Under the blanket. Okay, so what is the preposition here? Yes, under. Under a warm blanket. Now, 10th one. My book is under the paper. My book is under the paper. So, here also you have the preposition under. Where is the book? It is kept under the paper. So, here also preposition under. Okay, clear children? 6th one between, 7th one under, 8th one on, 9th one under, and 10th one also under. Okay, now we have I think 8 more this sentences you have, and you have to read it by yourself and just circle the prepositions there. Circle the prepositions by yourself. Here this much Miss showed, but next you have to do it by yourself. Okay, it's easy, no children? Yeah, it's very easy. You try to understand the concept for preposition, then identify them in these lines. Now, next exercise, page number 168. Next, page number 168. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in the help box. I have a box given here and you have to fill from this box. In, on, under, between. I have shown the picture is also given. See, under, on, in. 3 pictures. Under, on, in. Next, you have here between. See the car, it's between two school bus. So, between. Now we'll go to the exercises. Okay. First one. Question number 1. He hit dash the bed. Once more. He hit dash the bed. He hit. Hide, past tense. Hit. Olichirunu. Dash the bed. So, where, which will be the preposition? In, on, under, between. He hit under the bed. What will be the answer, children? Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. He hit under the bed. Second, monkeys like to climb dash trees. Monkeys like to climb dash tree, touching the surface. Yes, on trees. Monkeys like to climb on trees. Okay, third one. She gave sweets dash the class. She gave sweets dash the class. And specify the point, particular point. So it is in the class. Where is a girl? Girl is inside the class. So she gave sweets in the class. Specifying the point itself. Okay. Fourth one. The dog ran dash the trees. The dog ran dash the trees. Dog ran between the trees. Yes. Between. Dog ran between the trees. Dog ran between the trees. Fifth one. He works dash London. He works dash London. Can you guess, children, what will be the answer here? He works, yes, in London. It's a place in London. He works in London. Okay. Next. Sixth one. A car went dash the buses. A car went dash the buses. Car went between the buses. Between the buses. It went between the buses. Okay. Seventh one. We walked dash the beach. We walked dash the beach. We walked on the beach. On, touching the surface. On the beach. Okay. Eighth one. She passed her driving test dash August. She passed her driving test dash August, month. So can you guess which preposition we use for months, year and parts of the day? That is in. Yes, very good. In. She passed her driving test in August. It's a month, no? August is a month. So in August. I stood dash my two best friends. I stood dash my two best friends. I stood between my two best friends. So I stood between my two best friends. Now 10th question, the last one. The frog was dash the rose bush. The frog was dash the rose bush. Frog, you know what is frog? So frog was under the rose bush. Where the frog is sitting? What is frog? Tavala. It is sitting under the rose bush, rose plant. Okay, so that comes under. Okay, so I hope it's clear, children. Just read the line and try to identify which MM4, which one you have to write there. So first one under, second on, third in the class, fourth between the trees, 5 in London, 6 between the buses, 7 on the beach, 8 in August, 9 between my 2 friends, and 10 under the rose bush. Okay, next exercise. Again we have to identify the preposition. Next is underline the prepositions in the following sentences. I have to just underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Page number 169. First one. The dog is in the canal. The dog is in the kennel. You know kennel. It's a place where the dog is kept. So, the dog is in the kennel. So, it's a preposition there. Yes, it is in. Particular point. So, underline in. With your pencil, you underline in. Okay. Second question. The ball is between the table. The ball is between the tables. 2 tables are there. Ball is between. So, which is the preposition used here? Yes, between. You have to make a dark line. Between the table. Third one. Ria is sitting under the tree. Ria is sitting under the tree. So, what's the preposition there? Children say louder. Yes, under. It's under. Under the tree. Ria is sitting under the tree. Fourth one. I will learn English in the class. I will learn English in the class. Here, preposition is in. I learn English in the class. Particular point in the class. Fifth one. The children are running under the trees. The children are running under the trees. So, preposition is under. Under the tree. Under the tree. Then, sixth one. The sparrow is sitting on the windowsill. The sparrow is sitting on the windowsill. Window. So, what sparrow sitting on? Sitting on the windowsill. On, touching the surface. On the windowsill. Now, it's clear, children? Yes. Seventh one. The books are in the cupboard. The books are in the cupboard. Here you have preposition in the cupboard. in. Next, I shall meet you on Monday. I shall meet you on Monday. Yes, preposition is on. I shall meet you on Monday. On is also used with days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we use on. Touching the surface and for days of a week. Okay, so on Monday. Next, you can do it by yourself, children. You have 6 more sentences. Okay, it's very easy. Just identify these and underline with your pencil. The dog is in the kennel. Ball is between the table. Ria is sitting under the tree. I will learn English in the class. The children are running under the tree. Sparrow is sitting on the window. Books are in the cupboard. I shall meet you on Monday. Okay? I hope it's clear, children. So do the work which Miss has given you and complete your worksheet. Okay, children? I hope it's clear and we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.